In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your washing machine and make it like brand new in under 3 minutes. But the best part is you can do it with products that you already have at home. Cleaning your washing machine is so important. It's going to get rid of any unwanted bacteria, and if you've got bad smelling laundry or the machine smells bad, cleaning it will solve both of these issues. When you see the steps in this video, I think you'll be amazed at how easy it is to do, and I recommend you do it at least a couple of times a year. For step 1, we're going to start by cleaning the door and the glass. Now I'm using Krug Cutter, a very popular degreaser and a cleaner, but you can use soap and water or even Windex to clean the glass on this door. You want to make sure that when you go around this door that you wipe all the edges and be very thorough, because you'd be surprised how much dirt can build up on the edges of this glass. Now when you hear that squeaky clean sound, you know that you're done with the door and you can move on to our next step. Step 2 involves the door seal. That's that rubber gasket, they're usually gray, that meets where the glass goes in. So what you're going to do here is wipe that seal all on the outside, but then work your rag in the inside of the seal like you see here, slide it through and be very thorough because a lot of stuff can get in that gap. Our third and final step involves cleaning the washing machine tub. So I'm showing you this detergent drawer here to let you know that I don't have anything in it. We're not going to use this drawer to clean the tub. It's not necessary, so you can keep it empty and closed. Now what we want to do is we just want to run the machine. But before we do that, we want to select the hottest cycle we have available. Now if you've got a sanitized cycle like I'm showing here, you can go ahead and use that. But if not, just use the hottest selection you have and press start to begin the wash. Now when your machine starts up, you're going to hear your drain hose run, and this is what all washers do. It's going to drain for a few seconds, so I recommend letting your machine run for 1 minute, then press the pause or stop, and that's going to allow you to unlock the door and add our cleaning product inside. This part is the most critical. You're going to use regular household bleach. Your machine is rated to use this, so I know it's safe for any washing machine. And you're going to put 3/4 cup of bleach. All you have to do is measure it and pour it right into the tub of the washer. Once that's done, close the door, and now we're going to go back and press pause again or start so that the machine will continue the cycle. You don't need to buy those commercially available cleaning tablets. Household bleach is stronger and better, and your machine's designed for it. So just sit back now while your wash cycle runs and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, let's open the door and see what we've got. Now what you've got here is a completely cleaned washer. It looks new, smells new, and most important, every little nook and cranny has been sanitized. So you're going to kill germs, you're going to get rid of smells, and essentially you're going to have a new machine. This technique is the best way to clean a washer because it works 100%. And this machine is actually 10 years old, and with my family, it runs almost every single day. So I know it worked for me, and it will work for you too. So I appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.